I can feel it. Fuck it.
Just push him. F it. This is all bad. The walk of shame, bro. No. Brand new f***ing bike, man. Like, why? This is so sketchy.
So keep in mind we were on a road trip all the way from Kansas City when this happened and just got done going all the way through the canyons and into Lancaster, which is the city on the other side. We are over 25 hours from home.
And make sure you do it in second gear.
People say that, but I never got that.
You've always done it in first? Hang on, wait for this guy. I mean, he's bro. Just push him. Fuck it.
So the reason we are doing this is hopefully the bike will get up to speed enough to where the engine will be forced over by the traction of the tire. This is something a lot of people do when a bike won't start, and worth a shot to at least try to be able to get the bike back home.
I can feel it. Fuck it. That's so weird. It's always been ago.
Well, I wouldn't do it a bunch of times. Just give it a second. Turn the bike off too.
It's probably a sensor issue, do you think? Don't you think?
I don't know, that clicking sound like the battery.
Yeah, but it just doesn't die. So the running start is his only way.
Yes.
Slower.
Or just give it a second and try to restart it. I know the Yamahas sometimes do that because their batteries suck. If it doesn't start, you give it a second and they turn over. Or if somebody has a jump box around here, we'd have to get underneath that seat. I don't know if
it's just two little Allen screws. Hold on, let's just see if this motherfucker starts.
Alright.
Ready? No, that is weird.
Fuck!
That is fucking weird that it's not starting.
You want me to try it? You want me to try popping it? Well, we gotta push it back more. I know. Yeah, we need like a jump box or something, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Well, as you can see, we're having the problems with the RSV4. Just doesn't seem to want to start. Rolled all the way up to the gas station, didn't roll after, so. He took the seat off, checked the starter switches, or the relay, sorry. They look good. Everything looked good, man. The battery has full juice. We took it out and tested the battery and it had full juice. So we're about to try to foot peg them, so this is so sketchy. Nothing? Fuck. Nothing still? You ready, Cody? You ready?
red light where we're not trying to fight that light to get through there?
Well, yeah, we just go ahead and...
Push it on through the light and then go?
Yeah, just go ahead and start pushing it up there, yeah. Fuck. Round 2, I guess. Brand new fucking bike, man. Like, why? Fuck, dude. This is all bad. Oh, hey, there's a lot of fucking traffic right here, too. Hey! When the cars go, just wait for this last one to go and then go. Alright? Alright, you ready? Get ready. The walk of shame, bro. No. I just touched my winglet on my boot. I gotta be careful. Let's go! Let's fucking go! Let's fucking go! Yes, sir! Let's go! Oh my god, we did it! Shit, bro! Oh my god, we did it! Oh boy. He's excited for us, man. Come on. Oh, he has no idea what we just went through. Cool bikes, dude. Yep, he threw the deuces too. Guys, they're really cool bikes when they're working. Let's go, baby.